Welcome you first and foremost to the memorial service of this holy night of Lucy. We would also like to make a special thank you to Mr. Michael Brown for allowing us to use the facilities today. We just want to let you have a moment to reflect on the program, or I'm sorry, the obituary that we have for Minnesota Lucy, and we would like to invite you to refreshments that we have set up in the hallway. And in about 30 to 45 minutes, we'll invite you back so that you can enjoy a few words of reflection. My name is Arnesia Curtis. I apologize. And I represent the Girl Scout troop. We've all been together since age 5. And we're now in our 30s. And you can see the bond that we created, that we had together. So we're here as direct sisters in her family to support her and help facilitate today as you all enjoy everything, go down the memory lane and enjoy everything about Miss Hefferson. So we thank you, and we'll ask that you can go ahead and enjoy refreshments in about 5 minutes or so. Thank you.